Data Center Tripura hasteo snamjak hingke investment kebang angnai samongni ajimung kebang angnai te doibo angnai Shaka Montri Rwkha Swrangchati bobagra khot aguli Chanmari Amchaio Airtel Data Center ni Mwtai rimungni panda khlaijaka Swrangchati Manjakika hastani Montri Rwkha Professor Dr. Manik Saha Rang Montri Pranjit Singhorai Secretary Kiron Gite khoboi kubuni juda juda adongrok Osalo Mwtai Rwkha Montri Rwkha te Rang Montri Pranjit Singhorai Koknarak Thanio Tripura hastani Montri Rwkha Professor Dr. Manik Saha Shaka Kadagma Shalramoi Fatarhani apps rogni shakabo data rok huitonina nangmani Fatarhani apps o data huitoniyoibo huima kalaya Tripura hasteo data center snamjaka hingke tai Fatarhani apps rok tinani nangalak data huinani bagai janijar data huitonanin bagai belahia nangko ko shaka Montri Rwkha haini bagai nango data center haini bagai Hakotoni kereng hasti rogo data center snamungni yapri Rwkha hakotoni Montri bokrok Narendra Modi Montri Rwkha Shaka Northeast ni bisingo Tripura haste Agartala wa puila data center snamnani thangai tongo Montri Rwkha taibo Shaka hayung ganangai 20% data manthogo hakotoro fiaba hakotor ganangai data center tongo 3% tabuk hakotoro data storage capacity angka 1.5 gigawatt hakotoni Montri bokrok Narendra Modi Biksit Bharat snamnani nahar mungnoti 2030 bishini bisingo hakotoro data storage capacity 1.5 gigawatt ni simi chengai 8 gigawatt khlainani chaitok mungshaka Montri Rwkha Data Center snamjakmani bai hastni rungni slai mungtaibo nukjagi fainai hamkrai yangnai Tripura hastni Rang Montri Pranjit Singhorai hastni kaichar tangpedekni chaitok mungbai IT hub snamnani bagai yapri Rwkha aboni bagai thaibo thiti khlaijaka Tripura IT hub te data info system zone Tripura wa digital angnai investment bangnai te samungbo manbainai samung kriyangi tongnai ro
Recently the Good Governance Department has organized Purva Pravasi Tripura Summit. As you already know, some of them were there or through newspaper also they have come to know. We had expected 75 persons will be coming across the world. But the 86 eminent persons of Tripura origin who are settled across the world had attended that conference. Most of them are engaged in IT sector, you would like to know, and they have expressed their willingness to invest in Tripura. There is growing demand for plug and play facilities for startups who are growing into successful enterprises. I am pleased to know that the IT department under the leadership of Honorable Minister Pranjit Singhorai is planning to set up Tripura's second IT park near Agartala. Suitable plot of land is being identified for this purpose. So in conclusion, Tripura, backed by its progressive data center policy and the strategic advantage of hosting India's third international internet gateway, is well poised to emerge as a major data center and IT hub in the northeastern region. The proposed establishment of state-of-the-art center by Airtel, along with the planned innovation and incubation park, and the proposed Tripura IT and data ecosystem zone reflect the state government's strong commitment to digital transformation, investment promotion, and employment generation in Tripura. With this, I conclude my speech and thank you very much. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki.
Pandawa Rang Montri Pranjit Singhorai bo kok shaka boshaka 2021 bishiwo haste hapang data center snamnani bagai wansukmani kok chapmani tei yapri rommani Rang Montri Pranjit Singho bote boshaka hakotani Montri bokrok Digital India ni लामतै त्रिपुरा हासनि मन्त्रियकरा प्रफेसर डक्टर मानिक साहा हिमै मन्त्रियकरानि तैफांबाय हास्टेव डिजिटेल त्रिपुरा खलायनानि याप्रि सेमं रां मन्त्रि बतैब साखा त्रिपुरा हास्ते चिकनसा ओंफानो डिजिटेल त्रिपुरा स्नामनानि बागै उंकुलग उस्लु गलाक अबाहायनो कक नारखा रां मन्त्रि प्रणजित सिंह राय
रिगनाय नायथक रिगनाय हामजांरंनि बागै नायथक ते क्वालिटी काहाम रिगनाय ताबुक हातिवो बेले रां क्लाइबायनो मानथुगै दंगो मानथगो याक बाय ताकजा रिगनाय चामुथो रिशा कानबरो मानथगो कताल जरनि मेशिन बाय ताकजा नायथक बुमलनि पालिनि रिगनाय तिप्रासा हुकुमु मारि रांतां सुरां चंद्रहार वाखुम तोया खारु जतो मानथगो हाइके लिरिदा तंसिदि ताबुंग नक्रंदि कान रुबाय ते कान बरक फाल नकबाय अरो होलसेल ते खुसरा रिगनाय रिसाबो फालजागो मानथगो जेरक रिगनाय बानिया ख्लायनाय बरक अ फाल नकनिनो रिगनाय रिसा होलसेल तलांगै बानिया बुखलाय मानाय हाइके लिरिदा तंसिदि करंदि निकुमा आगरतला नॉर्थ बानमालीपुर नियर यंग्स कॉर्नर क्लब वेस्ट त्रिपुरा मोबाइल नंबर 9862821223 ते किसे कोकदू नंबर 87878831552 /82589191171 /8119938 548